Good evening, one and all. My name is Shruti. I am from AID branch in Adishankara Engineering College. Today my TikTok video is functions. What is functions? What are the types of functions? We have generally four types of functions. Are there no arguments and no return value, no arguments and no return value, no with arguments and with return value, no arguments and with return value. Before we are discussing this, before going to this topic, first of all we know that what is functions. Function is a set of instruments that taken as a input and then processing after then produce output. So here function means we have take some input value that will processing after they will produce output value. So see that we have to discuss one by one. So we see that no arguments and no return value. First one is no arguments and no return value. And first one. Second one, with arguments and no return value. With arguments and with return value. And next, no arguments. And last one, no arguments and with return value. We have to discuss now what is what. So first, no arguments and no return value. We have to write the classification of no arguments and no return value. First of all, function value, I want to write fun function. It is a input value and this is a output place. This is a input place and output place. Here we have to take arguments means input value and return value means output value. So here arguments means input and return value means output. Here no arguments and no return value means here no arguments means here any input value was not accepting. So here we have to write no, and here also no return value is accepting. So here also we have to write no. Then because we need not to write no, because in C language we have to write void. No means void. We have to write void. Void means no. And some logic will write in this block. We have to discuss in previous what is functions means a set of block instruments. It takes some input value. It takes some input value processing by using predefined value. Processing after the produce output value. So here we have to any logic we have to take. So here no argument and no return value. Then after with arguments and no return value. Here also we have to take function with arguments. With arguments means we have to write any argument, means any input value like integers, floats, etc. Then any will write. So I want to write integer x. So there is no return value. No return value means no output. Means first of all you have to write some logic here. So logic after there is no return value means No means what? We have to write here void. Okay, means with return value the function takes as a with return value and no with argument values and no return value. Okay, next with arguments and without return value. With arguments and with return value, we have to take again function and what is that with return value. Within return value means what? We have to take some logic here. Okay, I want to pass in this input value has some character x character x, and here with return value. With return value means I want to write return value 7. I will write 7. Okay, here with arguments means character I will pass in here. I want to write return value 7. What is the 7? What is 7? 7 is an integer. We have to write here integer value. Here return value as integer. Okay, then here see the function takes has with return arguments and with return value, and here we see no arguments and with return value. No arguments and with return value. We have to write function. No arguments means here what we do? Void. No means void. With return value, we have to write some logic here. Some logic here in this block. Then after with return value means return value we have to write 35.64. It is a decimal value. Decimal value means what? Float value. So we have to write here float. So this is the function has no arguments with return value. No arguments and return value. So then after we want to discuss what is that call by function. What is a call by function? Means call by function means if anything else, if the function is there, that function will work means you have to call the value. You have to call the value. For example, this is a marker. We have to write in that board. But what is function? What is the function of marker by writing? By using function calling. There is no function calling. How can we write? That is not writing directly now. So it is function calling is very important for functions. So we have to call the functions in every type. So now see what is the function. What is the function call? Function call means single statement ended with semicolon. Single statement ended with semicolon. First we have to see no arguments and no return value. We want to write some call by function. Call by function ended with semicolons. Okay. Here what is that? No arguments and no return value. No arguments means no need to write anything. Not accepting any input values also. So no need to write. No return value also, no need to write any return values. So here we have to see next with arguments and no return value. With arguments and no return value, you have to write function. Here with arguments means here accepting some integer value. Accepting means integer value. We have to, I want to write some integer value like 7. I want to write 7, and this 7 is directly stored in x is equal to 7. Stored in x is equal to 7. And next, no return value means no need to write. And next, with arguments and with return value. With arguments and with return value means function. And here character. Character means what will we write means every function having one character with single quotes. Write with single quotes. Example, we will write one single quotes. G has a single quotes. It is a character. What here return value? What is the with return value? What is the return value here? Integer. So we have to write here integer. We have to write here integer. That's it. Next, no arguments and with return value. No arguments and with return value. We have to write like this: function ended with semicolon. No arguments means no need to write here, and with return value. With return value means here it is a decimal value. Decimal value means float value. So here we have to write here float. Float. It's equal to float. Those four functions are very easy to understand, and every program, every function, we need to use any one of the function in programs. So those functions are available in C, C++, Java, and anywhere we have to see any one function are used. So thank you for giving opportunity.